Hello and welcome back to my wee channel here. I'm going to do a quick video just on removing off the door card on the back of any car really, and in this instance just happens to be a Toyota Avensis. It's a T27 and should be the same for petrol or diesel, I would imagine, and this for the one with the wind up handle. So it should be the same with electric. Should be the same basically, because you would have the buttons sitting here on the electric. But anyway, let's get stuck in with this now. There's one screw here, there's one here, there's three, and then there's one here, so there's four in all. So I'll show you. It's really simple to take this off. So what we use here now is, we can use this here, we can use any of these plastic tools. You pull out the first pieces in here, like so. The second one is behind here. There you go. So you have a screw there, and you have one in here, and one down there, and then you have one over here, as I showed you a second ago. Now the next thing is, we have to take off is the handle. Now there's a clip in behind this here now. It's very hard to be able to show you this, but some of you can zoom in there and see that. There's just right in there. See it? So here's something. That's what I'm using. Let's see, will this do me any good? Push it back. There we go, have it. A lot of people use a piece of a face cloth or something just to hold with your other hand, so you don't lose the clip, because they do fly. They're like Zebedee on steroids. But anyway, we put these in here like so. That's that. Now one, two, and then use a smaller screwdriver for this one. Let's see what that is. We're going for, there we go. You use a smaller posi bit on your screw gun, that doesn't really matter. Like so. And then just pull it off in the bottom. There's another one. Oh yeah, never got that one, yeah. There you go. Just as well, I think. Let me buddy here helped me now, Evan. Yep. So, and again with the plastic tools, get in behind the door. There you go, you have it popping. And just pull it out like this. And then you go bump bump, and off it comes. And you can push this thing through to take it out. Anyway, that's how you take off the door card in this video. Pretty simple. And as you can see, there's clips in here. You can just push them down. There, all the way around, and then you can push this through and take it out, and then you can leave this all attached. I would never take this off here, for the simple fact is getting it back on might be a problem. Okay, please hit the like, subscribe, share button, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to put the card back on and the winder handle. We'll just show you how to take off the handle, just how to get the handle out, just so if you want to know how to do it. It just comes out like that, see? And it's really quite simple. So putting it back in. Like so. Couldn't be any easier, like, you know. There we go. So the card goes back up. As you can see, there's a groove here and it fits in there in the corner. And it just sits in, slides in like so. Like just like that there now. 100%, and it clips back in. Just give it a few taps. 100% back on. And then to get the the handle back on the car, you need to push this back on like so, like just like that. And then you have this piece here. You can jump in there, make it easy for you. Put that on there, and then the handle goes on, and just give it a bit of firm pressure, push it back on. That's it. Beautiful job. Next thing is you need to put the screws in there. So we fly them in, we get the screw gun. Is it in there in the car? Yeah, it must be. So there we go. That's the first one. Got the wrong one. Excuse me, this is the first one. Second one. Third one. That. And then the fourth one. Last but not least, use a small screwdriver. See if you can changing the posi heads. That's it. Just as quick to do this. That's the fourth one on. Handle number 1. Fits in the bottom first. Clicks in there like so. And then this one goes in here. In this here and there. So that's how they go. That's how you put the card back on. There we go. All good. 100%. So please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, leave a comment, and I hope this video is helpful for somebody out there. Thank you. See you again next time.